This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
So hello guys, welcome back to another video of our channel, and in this video we'll be doing that POC breakdown as you have seen in the thumbnail. So as you guys already know, according to my older tweets, I have closed the Advanced Bug Bounty series and I was about to launch a new one. So here I have already launched the new one, which is 50 days of bug bounty training. So it is having a more and more updated content. You guys can take a look on here. Few more tools added into the courses, so you can definitely take a look on this. The link is in the description, and let's get in the video. So here we are on a computer screen and we are going to take a look on this thing, how I was able to find 39k plus emails disclosed and a lot of personal identifiable information about users, right? So I just mentioned the common creds here because of few reasons, and I'll tell you in the upcoming sessions. And we'll start to look on this by using a PPT, like what I have done, the exact process. So what process I have used is kind of very simple. So initially I found the target, starting to gather out the information using multiple sources, like in starting with the reconnaissance of finding subdomains and all these things. So I just found the subdomains, used my multiple automation scripts. If you have seen the starting intro of the video, in the promotions I mentioned that we are having multiple courses including one-on-one and other master courses. So I was using the automation script that we have made in that one. So during that script I found that I just thought that let's take a look on the manuals, right? Because in the end I have to take a look on all the information I found using it. So just taking a look on all the information I found through the whole loop, and eventually I just tried to starting gathering subdomains manually. Even the automation is doing its work on the IPs and all the other things, but still got all the subdomains, tried to probe them, got some specific number of results and all this type of things, then started to find parameter. Now see, when we are doing parameter finding, we do some specific topics, including we use this param spider, we might use x8, we might use other tools like wayback URLs way more, because by using wayback URLs we are still gonna find a lot of parameters and lot of information. So after doing that for a little bit, I just opened the wayback URLs files, started to grab all the things, like we just take a look on all the information, we usually explore them. So there was around more than 2 million wayback URLs. So I was just taking a look on them, and I just found that okay, that's a big scope target with around 700 subdomains. I was only able to find that much because it's just the starting of 10 minutes of hunting. So while doing the wayback URLs, it was quite good, right? Not bad. Found some .sql files, .zips, but not having much information in them. Then started to do a little bit more work on all the waybacks files. Then I just took, just scrolled all the files. I started to look parameters in the wayback file. Then found something suspicious. Like I was able to find that there is some sort of JWT token. So I just tried to starting grep for all the JWT tokens. There was around 42,000 JWT tokens. So I just tried to decode few of them, and after decoding few of them, I was able to see that it is having kind of information that I might be looking for. You can take a look on this one. So it was something like this. I was just trying to probe all of them and just checking. Okay, I found a lot of JWT tokens, and I was able to you can say extract it. And after decoding them, I was easily able to find that there is a lot of data in it, including usernames and multiple things. You guys have already seen that in this previous screenshot. So after doing that thing for a little bit, I just decoded it and found this information. That's common. Now I made a script to decode it all. You know how to make scripts using AI and all these things. We already made a live on it. So after doing that for a little bit of time, I found more than 39k information leak about users. So after this process, yeah, I definitely wanted to report it, and then the rest of the process is kind of good. Now see, this was not only limited to this. If you're trying to do recon, you can use multiple websites to find a lot of information. It is not limited to any sort of specific thing. I can just remove this thing and just add a target.com, and you can start to do your own things. By the way, just a quick tip, if you just do the paste bin thing properly, you might find a lot of username and password disclosed. So definitely take a look on this type of things, because definitely they are gonna help you a lot in the whole process. Now, the key points or the key takeaways that I have from this particular POC is that if you have a proper idea of what you are gonna hunt on, then have a deep look on all the things. Like initial recon was simple. I used the recon same I demonstrated in the earlier videos, and the same process gave a very good output on it. So in short, the takeaways are very simple. Have a proper look on the recon. Even if you are using automations, that doesn't matter, because automation is gonna do its work. You can't tell the automation what to grab. Technically you can tell the automation what to grab, but in the end you have to take a look on the suspicious things by yourself, because every company is having different measures and all the different things, so you have to take your own approach onto it. So that was the video about it. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to take a look on the video on the link in the description. See you guys in the next video.